If you're looking for one of those beautiful homes that just says it all on a very quiet street, well, I got it for you. Catcher with Century 21 coming from beautiful Alta Sierra, just minutes away from Highway 49, and then again a few more minutes up to Grass Valley. But check out this beautiful newer home that is all single story upstairs with what you need, with just downstairs guest space, flat driveway. So it's those who know Alta Sierra, when you have a flat driveway in Alta Sierra with a single story home with literally 2 steps up, that you know you got to jump on it. Let's go check it out. All right, welcome into the primary bedroom where you've got, once again, vaulted ceilings. You've got tons of windows all around this room to bring in a lot more light. You got double closets left and right, even more storage up on top, which is fantastic. And then check out the primary ensuite with the beautiful cabinetry here. Nice big walk-in shower with a jetted tub. So again, lots of brightness, tons of storage in the home. Ready for the new owner. All right, welcome downstairs. You got a really nice game room with a door that goes off. This could be a family room, an extra space, but I really like that you've got the other rooms, which are nice size down here. And you've got a nice bathroom, nice and updated bathroom there. And then you've got your additional bedroom. And these are big, big bedrooms down here. And you can see even downstairs, you got the bright lightness that comes in, which is fantastic. And then here, one of my favorite rooms, always have nice place for storage where you can access all your central vacuum, your gas, propane, and then all of your heating systems in here as well. So it's a nice mechanic room that you can access without having to crawl underneath the house and wonder what else you're crawling in. And welcome to this beautiful backyard where you got some dog runs, you've got some beautiful garden spaces, you got a nice tough shed over there, some beautiful ivy, completely fenced yard, beautiful trees. What I really like most about this lot is you've got 2 spots on the right side of the house, either for a trailer, 2 boats, or one of each. That gives a gated spot there for privacy and seclusion of your toys. So if you guys would like to see this particular home or any others, feel free to reach out. Love to give you a personal tour, and we'll talk soon. Take care.